Hey, it's me, C, and welcome back to my channel. I know I took a little bit of a break, but y'all, I had a whole lot going on as far as editing and stuff with a couple other projects I'm working on, so I haven't been able to really put out content that I want to. But I do have 2 Halloween tutorials on the Catch the Beat YouTube page, so go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. So you already know what time it is. It is time for our monthly BoxyCharm unboxing. And baby, listen, we got some tings in this here box. We got some goodies in this here box. Y'all ready to unbox? Are you ready to unbox? Before we get into the goodies from this month's box, I just want to share with you guys that I am a BoxyCharm brand ambassador. So if you wish to receive your monthly box, go ahead and subscribe through me. The link will be in the description bar. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or hit me up in the DMs. You guys already know my Instagram is pieces.c. And yeah, we just going make it do what it do. So the first product I want to show you guys is this Sponge Jelly Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is in Cherry Tonka. And the last one I got, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I unbox on my Instagram stories every month as well. The last one I got was more like a rose petal. And so I'm really, really excited to try this. It does last a pretty long time. And the scent, they smell so, oh wait, I can smell it through the box. It smells so good. Let's see what the card has to say about this product. So, Sponge Jelly has collaborated with BoxyCharm to create a limited edition body wash infused buffer. These body washes help exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin like you are at the spa. So, y'all, honestly, I really, really love this product. Like I said, I have received a couple of these from BoxyCharm, so I'm excited to try this one. Ooh, this smells so good. If you are a fan of Japanese cherry blossom from Bath & Body Works, girl, you're gonna like the smell. So good. And this product here is $20. I can go ahead and take it off the box just so you guys can see what it looks like. Here we go. But yep, it looks like this. It's like a little sponge, loofah, what have you. And the soap is infused. I just can't stop smelling it. Okay, let's just move on to the next product. Our second product from this month's BoxyCharm box is the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Y'all, I've been using this for the past 2 days, and the exfoliating beads in this wash, it's very thin, it's very fine, but it feels so, so good. I have oily skin, and honestly, for all skin types, it is important to exfoliate at least, I want to say a couple times a week. That's what I do at least. But yes, I do have oily skin, so it feels so good to get all those oils and dirts and everything out of my pores, because baby, we want to glow, but we don't want to glow too much. So this product, first of all, do y'all see how big this bottle is? Like, that's the other thing I love about BoxyCharm. You don't get like little sample travel sizes. No, you get the full size products. So just for the sake of this video, let's just do a little cleansing ASMR. This multitasking cleaning exfoliant is an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times a week. It also helps minimizing skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. Ooh, it even feels good on my hands. This product is $40. Let me go ahead and rinse this off. I'll be right back. Whew, okay, I'm back and my hands feel cleaner than ever. Let's move on to our third product. This right here, it's not just any old moisturizer. This is the Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer. This moisturizer, it feels so good. It feels so hydrating. It feels lightweight. It smells, I don't know, it just smells like clean and fresh. It doesn't have like a crazy scent or fragrance. I love scents and fragrances, but if that's not your thing, that's cool too. This is a good product for you. This is a moisturizer that's super lightweight, and not only does it moisturize your skin, but it helps balance your skin's oil levels while leaving your skin with a super matte finish and super clear skin. And I don't know about you guys, but like I said before, I have super oily skin, so this is an amazing moisturizer for me. One mistake a lot of us oily girls make is the thought that we don't need moisturizer, we don't need oils. No, we do. We do. We need it. We need all of it, okay? A lot of times when our skin is overly oily, it's because we are needing that moisture, baby, okay? We need the moisture. So I really like this product. This product, almost snatched my wig off. It is $69 for this moisturizer, $69. So as you can see, a lot of the products in this month's BoxyCharm box was all about the skin, baby, which I love. You can have your BoxyCharm tailored to your liking. So if you're more about skincare, then let BoxyCharm know, yeah, I want more skincare products. If you're more about makeup, then let them know, no, I want to be beat, I want to be glam, and I want more makeup products. But I was actually excited to get more skincare sort of things, just because normally I get more makeup than skincare. So that's one cool thing that I loved about this month's box. But let's get into the final two products. The next product we have here is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. Now, this is in the shade Soulmate. And y'all, I never really have used a tinted lip butter before. So it looks like a lipstick, okay? But it's not a lipstick. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers the lips with a delicious blend of cappuccino butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for the lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. This lip product is $20, and of course I'm going to demo it for you so you can see what it looks like on these luscious, beautiful, kissable lips, baby. But let me go ahead and give you the tea about the eyeshadow palette. Oh, yeah, the last product is an eyeshadow palette. Get into it. We have the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. So with this palette, we have quite a few options as far as looks that we can create. This palette here is $38. So if you would like to see me demo the actual products and see my final thoughts of this month's BoxyCharm box, go ahead and keep on watching. But before we move on to a little eyeshadow tutorial, make sure you like this video and leave me a comment as far as like what product did you see that you would love to try. I'm curious to know. So let's just get into it. The first product I want to tap into is this shade right here called Messy Hair. And we are just going to take that and kind of build up our crease with it. Okay, next we're gonna go in with Yawning. It's a deep, cool tone purple shade. That's how I would describe it, at least. And although it is darkening up our crease, it's not really giving what I thought it was going to give, but we're going to keep going. Okay, so because I am what peasants would call extra, I'm going to use my P. Louise base and kind of just add a little bit of that base on there before we go in with the next color. So not like anything super structured, but I just want to give the eyeshadow a fair chance. We're just putting it all over the lid anyway, so it doesn't have to be any huge rhyme or reason. Nothing super clean, you know. Okay, so now that that's on there, I want to go in with Fresh Face and put that on top of my lid first and see what that does for us. Okay, I like what that's giving. Okay. Little razzle dazzles, look. Razzle dazzle. Okay, so now we want to do a bit of a liner. So grab whatever eyeliner you like to use. I've really been into doing felt tip, I guess you would say. Eyeliner pencils or whatever they're called. That's what I like. And voila, just like that, you have eyeliner. So I want to do something a little different, a little more glam, and I want to add some rhinestones in the inner corners of my eyes. I got these from Amazon when I was doing a Halloween look. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put that glue there first. Now let me pop on these lashes real quick. Okay, our lashes are on. It went from very chill breakfast in bed to not so chill, babe, take me to lunch or a festival. Period. Okay, so let's move on to the lip product. Ooh, it does feel really soft. Ooh. Wow, this is super moisturizing, but I'm gonna do a little something on the lip because it's not really doing much for this eyeshadow look we got going on. So I'm just gonna do my lip really fast and then come back to you guys with my final thoughts about the products in this month's box. Okay, you guys, this is the final look using this month's BoxyCharm Box. And of course, you know, we added a little extra tea. It wasn't really supposed to go here, but this is where we ended up. Personally, for me, the one product that I was actually surprised by is this lip product right here. It felt so good going on my lips. Even after I put some liner on, I could have wore it just like that. I'm a very I don't know how to explain it. I like for my lips to be lined or outlined, whatever the case may be. So even if I wore this with just liner, I would have been completely satisfied with that look, but it just wasn't giving what it was supposed to give with this eyeshadow look. You feel me? So I was definitely surprised by this product. Love Beauty Bakery, love everything that they do over there. However, this eyeshadow palette really isn't going to be a go-to for me just because I don't really do cool tones that much, although I am happy with how this look turned out. I just think that it's not something that I would reach for all the time. This month's box was worth $187. Yes, $187. So is BoxyCharm worth it? Duh. Yes, it is. So if you would like to receive your monthly BoxyCharm box, just go ahead and subscribe through me, your favorite BoxyCharm brand ambassador. It is $25 a month, but for $25 a month, you get over $150 worth of full-size products. Like I said before, if you have any questions about it, feel free to comment down below or slide in my DM. Just slide in my DMs and we can talk about it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and again, I apologize for my little hiatus because, you know, your girl has some things going on, but I just want y'all to know I am grateful for all of you guys, all 1,000 and however many I have now subscribers. I truly love you guys. The end of this year is going to be crazy. I have so many projects and things that I'm working on for the end of this year to the top of next year. Like, it's so crazy. So, oh my God. I just can't wait to share them all with you. So make sure that post notification bell is on so you don't miss anything that I post. And I'll see you in the next video.